There are many options of staple guns to choose from, such as WORKPRO, Aero, WORK, KIMSING, Bry-Tech BEA, and more, so how do you know which one is the best? We're here to help you to pick out the top 23 best staple guns with our handy buying guide. Let's get started. The number one product on our list is WORKPRO Pneumatic 20 gauge staple gun. The stapler is consistent with 20 gauge staple. 1/4, 6 mm, 5/8, 16 mm. Counting 4 20 pieces 1/4, 4 20 pieces 3/8, and 4 20 pieces 5/8 staples. With an ergonomic soft grip handle, you'll feel more comfortable when utilizing this stapler. The pneumatic stapler is air-powered, which ought to be associated with an air compressor. Discuss compressor isn't included. It work with weight run 60 to 120 psi, max weight, 120 psi, 8.3 bar. The suggested carrier for a tool with a min ID of 1/5, 5 mm, and max length of no more than 17 inches, 5 meters. The staple weapon is perfect for softwood DIY ventures such as carpentry DIY, picture surrounding, cable settled, fabric repair, carpentry, and pet house DIY, which can fulfill all your necessities. The number 2 product on our list is Aero Pneumatic Staple Gun. Proficient security stapler can be utilized on compressors up to 120 psi. Prescribed utilize at 60 to 100 psi. Contact security highlight requires contact with nailing surface sometime recently terminating to avoid misfires. Extra 3,750 pieces staples bundle come with 3,750 pieces 1/4 of an inch, 3/8 of an inch, 1/2 an inch bolt D50 staples each 1,250 pieces, giving choices for an assortment of projects. Wide application. The bolt PT50 pneumatic stapler is congruous with 1/4, 6 mm -9/16, 14 mm, D50 staples. Perfect for upholstery, carpentry, beautifying, screen repair, cable settled, creates ventures. Reasonable for common repair and proficient employments. The number 3 product on our list is WORK Electric Staple Gun. All staple weapon cannot get freed of the wonder of stuck nails. The right operation strategy can viably dodge the stuck nails and guarantee that the nails can enter profoundly. Make beyond any doubt the nail weapon is worked vertically and the contact switch is completely press contact. Not suggest for hardwood, baseboard, quarter circular, drywall establishment, material, and flooring. Triple security assurance. We know the significance of security. Contact security switch design anticipates coincidental activating. Got to turn on 3 defensive gadgets at the same time to begin the machine and shoot nails. Exceptionally secure plan. Will not cause harm due to working blunders, and bring you superfluous inconvenience. The number 4 product on our list is KIMSING 71/16 22 gauge pneumatic upholstery stapler with long nose. Compact and light. Exact aluminum casting strategy make lodging lighter. The total staple weapon as it were weighs 2.29 pounds, 1.04 kilograms. A compact plan is able to hold up easy for a long time. Friendly to client. Build and silencer makes delicate commotion. Maintain a strategic distance from commotion contamination. The raised debilitate keeps oil off the texture and confront. Maintain a strategic distance from sullying your working surface. Simple foot stacking. A comfortable elastic handle gives you more control. A delicate trigger kills your finger weariness. More slender and long nose for simple pointing and difficult to reach zone. Tool free to trade. Standard. Discuss connectors in different nations by dismantling or tighten. Fastener and application congruous with 22 gauge 71 arrangement 3/8 inch crown, 1/4 inch to 5/8 inch length staples. Apply to upholstery, furniture, texture, seating, cabinets, carpentry, etc. The number 5 product on our list is B71/16 421 upholstery staple gun stapler with 2 boxes of staples. Acknowledges B71 arrangement staples commercial review. Apparatus, made in Germany for commercial use. Very quick and exceptionally consistent pneumatic. Discuss compressor, fueled stapler,